Hey, I'm going to be sharing with you how I'm making money online in 2019. Hi, my name's Lauren Watson. I'm a stay-at-home mum of 3 girls. I live in Australia and I haven't been back to work in the workforce for 6 years. My oldest daughter is 6 years old. So this year, 2019, I've set myself a bit of a challenge. My challenge is to make $2,000 a month of passive income just by working online by the end of this year. Now you're probably thinking, oh well, $2,000 a month, that doesn't seem like such a big deal. And no, probably it's not. But when you've never made any money online before, it's not as easy as it sounds. Now this YouTube channel is going to be documenting my journey, my successes, how I'm going about it and what I'll be doing. Now, how am I going to do it? I have done online surveys before. I've spent loads and loads of time filling out a half-hour survey to get a couple of dollars. It really wasn't a good use of my time. I did that for a few months, probably got maybe $80. Wasn't very economical, so I'm not going to be doing online surveys. I'm not going to be wasting time trading my time for money. I don't have any products to sell, so I'm not going to be selling stuff. I'm not going to be selling other people's stuff either. I'm not going to be getting inventory and selling, sending things in the post or keeping track of stock. So none of that. What I'm going to be doing this year to earn my money is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products or services and receiving a commission every time someone buys that product or service using your affiliate link. So I don't have my own product yet. I'm going to be working on that this year, hopefully. And that's how I'm going to be doing it. So I'll be sharing with you how I'm going to do it, my successes, the products that I'm going to promote, the tools that I'm going to be using, and hopefully as well I'll be sharing with you ways that you can make money online through affiliate marketing if you're a beginner as well, or if you've never had any luck doing it online before. Okay, so why am I doing this? Like I said, I'm a stay-at-home mum. I haven't been back to the workforce for 6 years, and honestly I don't want to. I think it's a poor use of my time. I've got 3 girls that I want to be around, but I also want to make a bit of extra money for our family, so I don't want to go back to work. Being an affiliate marketer online, just using this laptop, I can do it from home. You know, my kids are in the other room watching Hercules right now. I'm doing this right now with them. My husband, he's a concreter. So he works 5 days a week, 40 hours a week, concreting. If he does this for another 20, 25 years, you know, he's going to be retired with a broken body, not being able to enjoy his retirement. And that's not what I want for him, and that's not what I want for my family. I know there's a better way. I know entrepreneurship can get us the goals that we need for our family. So my goal is to earn $2,000 this year a month, and then next year I want to scale that even higher. So my husband can do cash jobs here and there for people, you know, maybe 3 times a week, and then we can get a caravan, do some holidaying around Australia like I've always wanted to do. So that's why I'm doing this. That's my goal. And I think it's really important to have a really good goal, because I know this isn't going to be easy. I know it's not going to be, yep, just get my money and that's it. It's going to be struggles, and to have a really good reason why is going to keep me motivated. So thanks for watching. I'd really appreciate if you liked and subscribed to my channel, to check out my future videos, and see if I can help you in some way, and see if we can make this money together. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.